What's up, goddess gang? Today we are back with another video, and today I have something a little light for you guys. So I want to show you guys essentially how I prepare my nails for whenever I film, because I know that sometimes it's a little tricky because you want to film often, but you also want to protect your natural nails. And you want to be able to pop those nails off so you can film often. Maybe sometimes you want to wear your nails for a few days. Maybe you want to wear them for a few weeks. Whatever you want. I wanted to tell you guys how I do everything. So like how I prep my nails to wear them for pop off, or prep them to wear them for 2 days or 4 days or 2 weeks, and so on and so forth. So I don't remember exactly what order everything's going to go in on the film. I so apologize. But I believe that what I did was I showed you guys basically, this is just me pushing back the cuticle, right? So if I wanted to wear my nails just so that, I can get through a video, like say I'm filming and I want to get through a video and show the finished result at the end, I want to be able to file my nails throughout the process without them necessarily popping right off and things like that. But I want to wear them for like, a day, or maybe I even want to pop them off right after the video, whatever. I don't want to wear them long. They're for filming purposes only, or I call them, like they're a model set, So in order to create a model set, I will go in with my cuticle pusher and I will just clean up my cuticle. Now, there's a couple things to take into consideration. And this is going to get a little detailed, but I will just tell you guys, and maybe I'll repeat this in another video, but it's not really the course of topic here. It's just that I don't like to do like a deep manicure before I do my nails. Like, you know how you're not supposed to shave and then go to the ocean, right? Or to the beach or to the pool. It's the same when you do like a nice deep manicure. You don't want to turn around and really do your nails right away. At least I don't prefer to, because I want to give my nails time to, like, if there was any open cuts, like from hangnails or, things like that. Or if I had a rough cuticle, I want to give that a little bit of time to mend itself, or to quote unquote heal, before I just go applying products on top of it. So this is like a super light manicure where I am just so I do like a super deep manicure, like probably every 3 or 4 weeks. So this is like my maintenance manicure, where I'm just going in lightly, removing any cuticle, but I want everything to be sealed. I don't want any hangnails to be left open or anything like that. I just want to be very gentle. So if I'm prepping my nails for like a model set or to wear for a short time, this is basically what I would start off doing. And you see, I'm really not scraping very hard. I'm being very gentle. I'm strategically letting some of the cuticle just be there without really being too harsh on it. And that's what will help the nails naturally pop off sooner, because when you don't really, mess with that too much, it still has like the shiny top layer of the nail, like the natural nail, and it still has like that oil, its own natural oils and things like that. And it will still be to where you can put a nail extension on top just without any base coat gel or anything like that, and it will naturally come off within, if you force it off after you put your hands under warm water, probably come off within a few minutes, 5, 10, 15 minutes. If you kind of want to wear it for a day and then or maybe 2 days, and you want to be sure not to bump them into anything, they probably will, they'll stay on. There won't be a problem. And then when they start to pry off, they will literally just pop off. So as the video progresses, you guys will see more of what I do. So I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is Ice Bar by Model Ones. This is like it's actually all gone now. Like, I don't even have any more of that polish. It's my favorite to use as like my quote unquote base coat. So you guys can see I have not alcoholed it. So this is like for a model set. I'm just creating this set for the video. that's it. So I haven't put any alcohol to dehydrate it, nothing. I just cleaned up my cuticle a little, like my cuticle area just a little. And now I'm just going in with my gel without any base coat or anything. Some people will put like a layer of top coat mixed with like cuticle oil, or they might put a layer of base coat mixed with cuticle oil. I really don't do all of that. I just kind of make sure the nail is like naturally oily. I don't deal with the prep of the cuticle too much. Like I do a very light prep. And then I just go in with the gel polish as my base coat layer. And so this literally will, like, I can like probably go run it underwater for a couple of minutes and then I can peel it right off. So it works wonders. Now you guys are going to see that I'm going to also be showing you more or less like how I want to do it, if I want to wear them for a few days or if I want to wear them longer. So you guys can just watch along and see how I do it. Alright, so I'm sure so far you guys have noticed that I am being a bit rougher than I was with my thumbs. So you guys can see I'm really getting in there. I want to make sure there's no cuticle left over on the nail plate. And so that's one thing to keep into consideration if you want to have a longer lasting wear. If you want your nails to come off easily, do not go this vigorous on the cuticle area because you will expose raw nail. Like and it doesn't have a lot of oils, and it will dehydrate. It's already dehydrated, and you expose it and then you dehydrate it, and then it becomes almost impossible to easily lift the nail from there. So you don't want to do that. But you guys are going to see that I'm going to be prepping these ones for more or less like I want to wear these nails for about 4 or 5 days, you know, for a little bit of time. All right, and you guys can even see that I went in on the cuticles as far as nipping them. I really went in there and made sure that the cuticles didn't have a lot of excess. Now, I'm going to go ahead and with my 𝑐ℎ𝑒𝑐𝑜-U file, which I'm going to be using it on, I believe 4. I tried it on 3. It was too soft. So 4 is like my perfect speed. 5 is like if I really have like a rough cuticle. Like if I wouldn't have pushed the cuticles back and prepped them, then I would have probably worked on 5, but I already prepped them, so I just need to work on 4 to get like all the little stuff that I missed. So that's what I'm going to do now. All right, you guys, so now that I did that, then I went ahead and dehydrated the nail with alcohol. So that's how you know that these nails are going to be on for a little bit of time. They're not just going to be able to pop off very easily, like the way that I showed you to begin with, okay? So this is that little alcohol prep pad. You're going to go ahead and you want to get all the dust out of the cuticles. Now this is to wear my nails for a few days. The longest I think I've worn my nails doing this was probably about, well, because I didn't take a file and etch scratches into the nail. You can also do that. So this is like step 2 or level 2. Level 3 would have been if I would have gone ahead and taken a file with a little bit of a coarse grit and gone ahead and left etches onto my natural nail, and then go in with this gel polish as my base coat, but not really put any real base coat gel. Then that would have lasted even longer. Those would have been probably for sure at least a week. But these ones this way, depending on how much you shower or how much you wash dishes and things like that, they will probably last anywhere between 3 to 5 days. And so right here, you can kind of visibly see the difference between a lightly prepped nail and then a more prepped nail. And so here we have it. I went ahead and prepped all my nails for filming. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys had gotten a lot of value from this information. Drop a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts were and how you prep your nails for filming. I know there's lots of different methods, but this has been like tried and true for me, and I really love it. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. Go ahead and drop a big fat thumbs up down below, and if you found value in this video and you would like to see more, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and I will see you again in a future video. I love you guys so much. Ahala. Peace.